The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has stated a clear path to protecting and regulating consumer rights. However, some consumers still say they are not duly protected. A retired director at the CBN, Kofu-Alade, however, believes that the missing link is inadequate communication between the deposit banks and the consumers.
The industry actually had long-running battle with the communication industry over these charges. For quite a long time now, charges were being borne by banks, a little part of it by the customers, So now, what you now have is a scenario where the customer will have to bear a chunky part of this. Yes, you may want to say that we are talking about financial inclusion and you have these charges. But we can also try to understand with the evolving business environment that the banks are operating at. Then again, you also want to look at the fact that customers too are just being invited to be more disciplined and more discerning in their relationship with their banks. It's not just everything that should be available to you because it is free. You have choices of channels to use. You have to look at which one is much more economical for me. You need to make a lot of decisions. Then we talk about consumer education as well. We expect banks, and I know one or two banks have posted on their website, and from time to time they do update on these websites, to show these charges and actually educate their customers on how to progress about them.